What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we are going to be doing a little quick update on my 2017 Jaguar XF. This one is the 3.0 liter supercharged engine. It has a decent amount of power, it runs really nice. So I figured I'd add a little bit of an upgrade to it, something different to kind of differentiate this, because it looks stock. It is pretty stock, but you know, little things make a big difference. So here I got carbon fiber lips for the front here, and there's screws underneath, and I used them to kind of mark and scratch a little bit of the surface on the carbon fiber here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a little drill some holes so we don't crack this, and then there's a couple self-tapping screws that I'll put up along the side here that will be a little different than these over here. So let's knock this out. This is the screw that came out from underneath the bumper, and this is what I used to kind of mark that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right where that marking is and just slowly drill. Two nice clean holes, and this screw will go right through there without cracking that, which is awesome. So let's take the other side. So what I'm going to do is measure this approximately from that and try to duplicate it over here. Let's knock it out. Flip these like this. Should be 100% of a match, right? So I'm gonna take that, match them up approximately the best as possible, and give a mark. And we'll do our drills, one here and one there. Now we'll go ahead and button up these two screws on here and then finish off the outside. Nice. So that kind of follows that line right here perfectly. And then the only thing I need to do is self-tapping screw, one over here and one over there. Knock that out. So let's knock out that side.